Well, good morning, everybody. Today we are at Chalk Ridge Falls. It's the spillway to Stillhouse Hollow Dam. I mean, to Stillhouse Hollow Lake. It's Stillhouse Hollow Dam's spillway, Chalk Ridge Falls. Yeah, it's the trail that kind of goes through there, but I'm gonna go down this way, closer to the water's edge. And I don't hear it, but the dam seems like it's closed still. Now the lakes are, well, Stillhouse Lake in particular is 100% full, even more than that probably. And they still haven't opened up the spillway yet. So let's go check it out and see if we can't pick up something and adventure around and hike around a little bit and see what today has to offer everybody. Man, it smells fishy. I hope my nose doesn't betray me. It does smell like fish in here though. But as you can see, man, they haven't opened the dam yet. They're not letting the water out completely. It's just trickling through. Maybe they don't need to. Yeah, today I got a little bonehead lure. We're gonna start off with this right now. First off, a little silver willow blade and a jig head. 10-pound test, 25 high gear, 100 high gear, Shimano, Sienna, and Arid Coastal Daiwa 7-footer. Let's throw it here real quick and see if we can't get something. If not, then we'll start moving down that way. Let's go check it out. Water right here looks a little bit stagnant. Well, that's never stopped me before. I have caught little freshwater drum in here and small bass and some little sunfish every now and then. But when you walk down that way, you got more carp and buffalo and gar and some more bass and stuff like that. But every now and then something's hanging out right here. Now, as you can tell, I'm fishing with lures. I'm gonna start fishing with live bait and cut bait here pretty soon. The weather is starting to permit that for me. But I always like fishing with lures. It's a little bit more challenging. Oh, got some. Oh, whoa, had some bites. What was that? So this little bait I'm using mimics a small bait fish, such like a minnow or shiner or inland silverside. All them things, man. And everything eats those. Like, I smell something dead here. It's a dead turtle. See him right there? Gross. And a fishing lure. Leave it here for some kid. Right next to the dead turtle. Ooh. Something just jumped over there. That gotta be a bass. That thing fell right in the water. I got stuck on a leaf up there and it fell right in the water. What is that? Bass. Excellent. That thing was waiting for it to come in. Come on, guy. Right in this way. It's fighting pretty hard. Come on, guy. All right. Come this way. I think you're done. All right. Oh, that's a heavy one. Look at that guy. He's pretty good. And that lure. Nice. That's a good bass. Gotta be at least 2 pounds or something. Let's see. Nice hook set. Back over here real quick. Put that right there. I'm gonna lay you right here on this soft grass just for a second. Hang out right there. £2 pounds and 8 ounces. Cool. Little 2 pound bass. All right, guy, thank you for that fight. That was excellent. Let's get you back in the water. Good to go. See if we can't do that again. Oh, fish on. Straighten out the camera, a little fish hit it. Nice green sunfish, actually. Look at this. All right, guy. You hit that lure and everything. Cool. Nice fins on the bottom there. Big old mouth. That's how you know it's a big green sunfish. All right, guy, get back in that water. We get one more here. Just a little bite. Little fish. All right. Nice big green sunfish. Let me lip you. Look at that guy. Excellent. Nice fat one. Back in the water, guy. There it is. Another fish. Ooh, what is this? Look at this guy. A warmouth. Is it? Whoa. I think that is a warmouth. Has it got red eye? Can't really tell. What is this, you guys? Look at this camouflage patterns. Look at the size of that mouth. On the same lure. This is a new species in a long time. I mean, I caught them before, but they are super cool looking. Look at that guy. The same lure. He has a big mouth, almost bigger or just as big as a green sunfish. Look at this dude. He's cool. Wow. All right, guy. Thank you for playing. That dude's sweet looking. Look at the bands on his face right here. Dang, it's cool. All right, guy. Yes, that's a fish. It's a little one, but it's a fish. Come on, guy. Get over here. People want to see you. Whoa. Look at these guys. These are serious fish. He looks almost like the same species as the last one. He's got that camouflage pattern on him, a little bit of gold up here. Wow, look at the size of that mouth, though. These are good little fish, man. These are cool. They fight good, too. I think these are warmouths. I'm not sure. Is that eye red? If that eye is red, because I'm a little colorblind, everybody. I admit it. If that eye is red, that's a warmouth. Let me know if y'all catch these. Come on, guy. Get back in the water. Nice. There it is. Fish on. Get out of there. There you go. Come on, come on. Nice bass. Thank you for that fight, buddy. He's got that lure in his mouth. Just like that. You want to fish methodically, especially in a murky water. Fish a little slower. Fish a little smaller. Fish something with some sound and some flash. You'll get them. Thanks, guy. Oh, little fish. Get in there. Gotcha. No, not a little fish. It's a big green. Or what is this? A shell cracker? Or pumpkin seed? Or what is this? Do y'all know? That's the same one I caught earlier. Except his patterns aren't that distinct. Same big mouth. That eye doesn't look red to me. It looks kind of bluish. These might be hybrids. I'm not sure. Big green fish mixed with warmouth maybe? Leave me in the comments below what you guys think this is. Alright, thank you, guy. Get back in there. Kerplunk. Yeah. There you go. All right. Nice bass. Yet again on the little lure, the bonehead lure. Just like that. It's a pretty one. Black bass, largemouth bass, spotted bass, Guadalupe. They're all part of the black bass family, which are all technically sunfish. The biggest sunfish. Thank you, guy. Let's get back in there from the top. All right. Now without slipping, let's try from the other side. Yeah, there it is. Excellent. Easy. All right. Look at this guy. That's a different fish altogether. It's a little bit more golder or browner. Get this hook out. There you go. Nice. It's a good looking fish. Same spot, man. Thank you for fighting, man. You are different. I don't care if I catch the same one. Thanks, guy. And every time I cast, every time I throw a lure somewhere, I imagine that there's a fish there. I throw my lure like I know there's a fish there. Step it out a little bit and see what we can't pick up. I went ahead and replaced the little lure. It was getting all tore up after them 5-6 fish. But luckily I keep a spare. This wasn't flowing the last time I was here. So the spillway ain't open, but that little pond that's back there is. Oh, we got some gar right here in the front. Look at this. Big old bite. Oh, little fish bit. Dang. Yeah. What's up, guy? All right. Cool. Get in there. Whoa. Oh, gotcha. How you doing, little guy? I saw you fall in the water, man. I saved you. Not really. Took you out of your home. I think I saw your dead brother earlier in the beginning of the video. Little snapping turtle, huh? Look at his little butt. He got little horn, little spikes on his butt. All right, guy, I'm gonna let you go. There. That's a bigger one I thought. I thought he was smaller than that. Look at that guy. That's a good fish. All right, guy. Thank you for playing. Get back in there. Gotcha. There you go. That little guy swam all the way back to his tree. It's weird how they know where they're going. There it is. I saw you pick it up. Shouldn't have let me see you, man. All right. Was that a quad? I saw you pick it up. Look at that. He's a fat one. Little mouth, little Guadalupe, I think. Yep. Cool. I think the world record Guadalupe is 3.14 pounds, I believe. Got one. Yeah. There we go. Nice green sunfish in the little pool. Excellent. All right, guy. Thank you for that action. Get in there. Oh, gotta be something else in here. There it is. All right. Hook right in the side of the mouth perfectly. Just like that. Another nice green sunfish. See how their mouths are a little bit smaller than the war mouths? Maybe they're crossbreeding, I don't know. There it is. Yep, I knew it. I knew it. Oh, and he threw it back at me. You saw that? That was cool. Just about time to change out this lure. There it is. Picked it up right in front of me. Okay. Gotcha. That's an excellent bass right there. That's an excellent bass. Might have to weigh this guy. Get that lure out. There you go. All right, let's weigh this guy a little bit. It's a good one. Let's get up here. 2.6 pounds. It's a good bass. All right, my man. I appreciate all your fun and you playing around. Go ahead. You're free. This guard down here, there's something jacked up with his eye. Yeah, fish on. Oh, little baby, he's acrobatic. Get over here. Little Guadalupe. Whoa, he's feisty. Yeah. No. Cool. There he goes. There it is. Oh, and he spit it out. Gave him too much slack. Got him. He followed it all the way up. Gotta tighten up this drag. Come here. Gotcha. Yes, excellent. Maybe a pound, maybe a little less. Whoa, okay. Go ahead. Fish on. Felt kind of funny. I thought there was one on. Swallowed it good. There you go. It's a pretty one. It's kind of goldish looking. Brown, copper. Nice. Thank you for that fight, little guy. Oh, that little bitty bass right in front of me. Yeah, got him. I saw him, man. Big old drum. Come on. Come this way. Put it right in front of his face and he took it. Cool, cool. Come on, guy. It's a good one. Now, this is the biggest one I've caught here. There you go. Take it easy. Oh, look at this fish. It's peeing on me. That's a good fish. Freshwater drum on the lure. See if we can't get that out over here. That's a good fish. Yeah, too easy. They don't lip very well. Yeah, there you go. Beautiful Gasper goo, also known as the freshwater drum. It's a good fish on that little lure. Oh, oh. Oh, God. I got you. All right. Now I'm gonna let you go. Nice. Yeah, so that little bitty lure's kicking butt, man. It got at least 3, maybe 4 different species so far. And it looks just like the minnows that are in the water right now, with a little bitty one following it. So it just, they can't help it, man. As long as you work it the right way. You gotta make it look like a dying minnow. Got him. Oh, he wrapped himself around, he got off. That was impressive. Yeah. Yeah, right between my legs. Come on, guy. Oh. Gotcha. Excellent. Right on the top of the lip. Some nice fish today. 1 2-pounders, 2.5 pounders. Can't beat that off the same lure. Ah, got me wet. Cool. There you go. Ah. saw you, dude. Oh, that counts. Long distance. Yeah, there it is. Long distance cast. Yes. Man. Thank you, guy, for playing. Was it you biting over there or the guards, huh? I can't tell. Gotcha. I saw you, dude. I saw you. You shouldn't let anyone see you. All right, all right, all right. Gotcha. Excellent. There we go. Let's get him back in the water from the top. Going. Bah. Like fishing at the carnival, man. Let's go. No. Get over here. Slippery. Ah, got myself. All right. There you go. Nice little brownish golden bass right there. From the top. All right, man, we're gonna take it up to this little waterfall over here, see what it's doing, see what it's looking like, see if we can't hook up this couple little fish or something. And we caught a bunch of different species today off that one little bitty lure right there. Got him. This guy. He's awesome. He's super green, ain't he? Y'all know what kind of snake this is? Y'all can leave in the comments below if you know what kind of snake this is. I'm gonna say a green tree snake. I don't know. What do you think he is? See that?
Water out here, they're not swim.
Oh, excuse me.
Uh-oh.
Just doing a little video on a little snake.
There we go. Yeah, it's a nope rope, buddy. Nope rope, devil spaghetti.
Yep, pardon me, y'all. There you go, guys. A little green tree snake, I think. Maybe grass, I don't know. But it's real pretty. Look at that. All right, guy. I'm gonna let you go where I found you. He's gone. Hello, how you doing?
Good, how are you? He doesn't have a fish, so he's not happy. Are you just starting?
No, actually finishing up a little bit.
But any day on the water is better than a day at work.
For real.
Or it doesn't matter.
Yeah, I know. I need to get that tattooed on myself. What are y'all looking for?
Just looking at rocks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
It's a good time to do it after all this rain and stuff, to find arrowheads and
From
everything.
Missouri, she's a waterfall chaser. That's what she does on
Yeah, I went down
all
to
over the
pictures
state.
and stuff, but she gave up on me, so
No,
I have to
no.
make sure
I'm
she's
just
okay.
older. Physically older.
You are not. I'm older. I'm the big cousin.
The fact that y'all are out here doing what you're doing right now, it doesn't even matter your age at this point, because y'all are out doing it. Well, y'all take it easy.
Have a good day.
You too. Oh, would you look at that, everybody? You got people out there, the waterfalls at full effect. That thing's at 150%, man. You got people enjoying the water, swimming. It's a beautiful day out here at Chalk Ridge Falls, everybody. What's up, baby? All right, everybody, man, we'll go ahead and call it a day. I appreciate y'all watching another episode of Oscar Outdoors. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified, man. Until next time.